Assalamualaikum.
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 My name is Daniel Mukis bin Faizal Riza and my ID number is MDB240603005.
My name is Koyim Tosri bin Izan Zasturi, MDB 2403034.
My name is Iman Adam bin Muhammad. My ID card number is MDB 2403009.
I am Muhammad Azim bin Abu Zahar. My ID number is MDB 2403012.
So as for me, I'm the one that made the acknowledgement and introduction. Well, I also put the data collection that my team has gathered and calculated into the words.
It's me Daniel Mukis bin Faizal Riza and I'll be presenting about a data collection. In order to gather a 40 sample of people, we decided to use a stratified random sampling, which is we gather up all the 3 courses, and the 3 courses has their own limitation of individual, just like this. After the stratified sampling is finished, we choose the convenient sampling techniques to gather the 40 samples among the group of 3 courses, just like this. We use the data of the 3 courses and we get the pie chart and bar chart. As for the frequency polygon, in order to get the frequency polygon, we're using this equation, which contain food expenses, number of students, and the midpoint to get this graph. So the mode for the frequency polygon is 374.5. As for the OB for food expenditure, we using this table which containing number of students, food expenses, and the cumulative frequency. So with this graph, it shows that the quarter 1 is all 124.5. As for quarter 2 is 208.5, and for quarter 3 346.5.
Well, I will represent the mean calculation. About the mean calculation, how I get the value, because the upper boundaries I get 224.5, and the lower I get 1078.5. For student, I choose the lower 6, and the middle is 8, and the higher is 10. I highlight the yellow highlighted. You can see this. And the median is refer to middle values, and you see the show tables. Let's highlight each color. Number color is yellow, green, and blue. And now you can see the formula. The formula is formula boundaries plus this before the calculation, and now you can get the times, and before the times you can get the answer. And now the lastly is quartile. Quartile is delegate 3, first quartile, second, and third. And the first is delegate the lower number. Now you refer to the tables. I highlight the yellow color. And the odd value with the often value is 3 times frequently. And now I show the tables is I highlight the color, not yellow. You can see and now you can see the formula error. And now you can follow the formula when the lower boundaries plus the minimum count frame, and then you can division with the number of students, and now you can get the answer. And secondly is third quartile. Third quartile is the middle something value in the table. You can see now. First, I highlight the number and highlight the color green, and now you can see the formula ascended. And then the same formula before this first quartile, and lastly is third quartile. Third quartile is the highly or lastly in the sum value in your table. The same before that, you just follow the formula, but each quartile still is different.
For the distribution skewness, we see the comparison between the mean, mode and median. You can see this graph, which is the mode is 178.5 and the median is 297 and the mean is 275.5. We can see the mode is bigger than median and median is bigger than mean. For the standard deviation, we want to find the standard deviation, which is we total up the fx equal to total up the f and total up the fx. For the formula standard deviation, we can see this, which is fx squared 2 and divide f minus fx divide f indicates equal to, and we can get the answer is 82.008.
As for the last calculation, which is a coefficient of variation, we're using this formula and then we get the answer, which is 30.08%.
After that, all the data that my team has calculated and gathered, I'm the one that copy pasted into the words. After that, I also made the conclusion, which explain how my teams collected the data of the skewness, mid, mode, and median, and how they calculated all the calculation into the reports of business statistics in this business statistics assignment. After my conclusion, I move on to recommendation, which I noticed that my group COV is 30.01% and the other group COV, which is higher than this, 60.01%, which indicates our data set is less variability than the other group, which is high variability, 60.01%. Based on our research, we include that the students should track their money on how they spend their money, buying things, food and stuff. And other than that, they can after they track their money, they can know how much they spend and how much they need to cut off what is not needed and what is needed in their daily life. After that, we did the appendix, which is based on the stratified sampling that we conduct. We find that 40 samples, there is 40 samples are chosen. So with this, we go to the set of data given and choose them by our convenience.